So now that we went through part 1 and part 2, this is how to make money as a rapper part 3. This one is based on digital real estate. This is something that a lot of people give up. You start your Instagram pages, your TikTok pages, your YouTube pages, but you don't establish that system behind it. So let me tell you what the digital real estate will do for you. If you establish your identity through the content, then having digital real estate is king. Prime example. This video right here. Now you can see I got my plaques and my Grammys right there, and I got my brand right here. But if I have a platform, then maybe I could put a hat on, a t-shirt on, and someone pays me to do that. And if you want to do that, just contact me at musicmoneymakeover.com. But you see how easy that was? I just created digital real estate by using what's available on this camera, and you can do that through your content. But what you got to do with that digital real estate, you got to create the content that promotes the identity. It's got to promote your music, your personal interests, and your personality. Okay? Music, personal interests, and personality. With enough content, this will allow your attention to rise, attracting brands. Just like I said, hat, glasses, shirt, something that you might want to, somebody could put something right there. You get it, okay? If you don't, you won't have enough people to care about you, your music, your following, or your movement. You can't do it without content. This is why we want to establish this. Beating the house, we already know. More attention at this point instead of power just yet, because we got to get the attention first. More power and then more respect, okay? Personality, interest, music. Personality, interest, music. That's what we're doing with the digital real estate. We're promoting and projecting that. Now, after you do that, you got to make sure you follow for more music business tips and visit musicmoneymakeover.com.